Let's actually go to Kamohelo, and then she's a SABC News reporter. She's standing by for us. Kamohelo, a very good afternoon to you. Just describe what's happening around you at the moment.
Good afternoon to you, Nzinga. There's actually not much happening outside the court, rather the prison here in Kroonstad, where Dr Nandipha Magudumana is being detained. There's absolutely no activities, just the officials that are standing outside the gate. But we are here because we wanted to be here when the judge announces his verdict in her urgent application. We are expecting, of course, later today that her legal representatives will be here at the prison to come and consult with her on the outcome from the Bloemfontein High Court, because you remember that in the court her application was declared urgent, and the judge, Philip Lopsha, proceeded immediately with the merits of the case as it was submitted in the heads of argument by the legal representative, her legal representative, as well as the respondent's legal representative last Friday. The judge did talk about what transpired in Tanzania according to the respondents' heads of arguments in those papers that were submitted to the court. Of course, the legal representatives will now have to talk to her about what the options are going forward, because you remember that Dr Nandipha Magudumana actually suspended her bail application in the Bloemfontein Magistrates Court, where she's facing charges of violating a dead body, as well as defeating the ends of justice, arson, as well as fraud in that matter. You also remember that her co-accused, 4 of her 4 accused, were denied bail in that same court, whereas her father, Zolile Sekeleni, was given 10,000 rands bail, as well as Natasha Jansen, who is a former employee of the G4S prison. Just to take you a little bit back, Nzinga, Dr Nandipha Magudumana was actually identified as a person who claimed the body of Katleho Bereng at the government mortuary in Bloemfontein, and that body was essentially used as a decoy in Bester's fake suicide that happened at cell 35 at the Mangaung prison last May, when he escaped from prison. So today we know that Dr Nandipha Magudumana's application to have her arrest in Tanzania declared unlawful was dismissed. She's been here at the Bizama Kate prison in Kroonstad for the past 55 days. In actual fact, today marks 55 days that she has been here at this prison, being detained here. And of course, based on what the judge says, for the foreseeable future, she will remain at this facility. Until then, we don't know whether she will go back to the court, to the magistrate's court, to apply for her bail, which is still her legal right to do, or she will appeal the outcome of the case that happened here today. Back to you, Nzinga.